I'ma slow down. I can slow down. It don't make no sound. I need some more now. She wanna tap out. Living like too fam on told me, boy, you better slow down. Done made it out so many fucked up places, I still don't know how. Pretty little bitch gon' fuck for free, she like to go down. When I get it, them cheat, no 1, 2, 3, she don't wanna tap out. So I took my piss when and bought me a chopper, so I'ma need more round. Tryna sell my pride and put it to the side, but the shit won't go down. Gotta pour ice, get way too hot for me to slow down. Won't sell my soap, sell anything, I need a stove.
What up, to all my king, queen, prince, and princess, man? It's your boy Court, aka YK Slim. Back at y'all with another video, man, and y'all seen that thumbnail, so y'all know what the video is about today. Y'all see the YouTube giving away a card. Is it real or is it a scam? We gonna get right into it, man. Let me know what y'all think. So with that being said, man, we're gonna jump right into the thing. The first YouTube I'm gonna bring up is Josh Laurent. Josh Laurent was one of the first YouTubers that I seen give away a card. They do the card giveaway. I'm not saying he was the first one to do it, but he was the first one that I noticed did it. So Josh gave away his scat pack. So he had got it right. It was a two-tone scat pack. It was purple and green. Gave away a purple and green scat pack. Did the rap online and gave away scat pack. Gave away scat pack when he bought the Hellcat. Y'all know the situation with the Hellcat. The Hellcat ended up catching on fire in the back of the truck. So y'all know all about that. So yeah, Josh was the one that gave away his scat pack. And moving along, we're gonna move to Stunner Reese. Stunner Reese gave away a Monte Carlo SS. Thank you, what black. He gave away a Monte Carlo SS, and he gave away a LS also. And I think right now he's doing a rapper right now for a Regal. So he's doing a rapper right now for a Regal. I'm not even gonna lie to you, man. That Regal sounds so good. It sounds good, man. So yeah, he's doing a rapper right now. I think it's like $20 to enter, you know. So I think like enter for $20. You gotta go to the link online. Enter for $20. Enter the rapper. You spend more than $20. So I don't forget how many entries it is. But you know, all of them do their own, you know, own thing. So I think right now for his rap, I think he spent $75 to 150 entries or something like that. I can't remember, man. Don't quote me. You have to go on his website and see. So moving forward, we're gonna move to Real to Real. Moving on to Real to Real. Real to Real did a giveaway. He did a $50,000 cash giveaway and a C8. So he gave away $50,000. $50,000 in a C8 Corvette. The person who won the Corvette did not want to be, you know everybody know they won, and it was a female. So shouts out to the females that won the C8. And you know, can't remember who won the cash. I really can't right now. But go to the channel. You see everything on this channel. Real to Real. So yeah, Real to Real gave away a $50,000 and a C8. Moving forward, gonna move to Corey. Life of Corey. So Corey gave away the Hellcat. As you know, Corey did a rap on his Hellcat with like $25 ticket. You know, I can't remember the entry. You can spend 50 to get like 200 entries or something like that. Don't quote me. Like I said, I'm not, you know, don't quote me. But I know the ticket started at $25. So, but a young guy from Atlanta, I'm not gonna say young guy, a guy from Atlanta won the Hellcat. So, shouts out to that one also. And right now he giving away his truck. Okay, we all know about Corey truck. You say you don't like Corey truck, I just don't know. Everybody like the truck. Not only he giving away, he's doing a rap for his truck, he's doing a rap for Hellcat also. It's a Challenger Hellcat. I think it's a 2015 Hellcat. It's red. So you're doing a raffle right now. You get the Hellcat. No. Take that back. You're doing a raffle right now. So first prize, you get the truck. First prize, you get the truck. Second prize, you get the Hellcat. And I think third prize, like, it's some money. Third and fourth play, you get cash money. You get cash money. So, like I said, take a $25 to enter that. $25 to win. Take a chance at winning a truck and a Hellcat. Alright. So moving on forward again, we got Mod to Fame. Mod to Fame giving away his wide body. Got a wide body Charger. I like it. Like, to me, it look good. I'm one of the type of person that don't even like purple like that. But to see this car with that purple and white, it's different to me. Man, got the white interior. Not only do he got the white interior, like the white stripes is diamond cut. So in the inside of the car, the white interior got help the purple in the diamond cuts for the seats. It look good to me. It's an RT, and it look good, man. So he doing a giveaway right now on his Charger wide body. Doing a giveaway right now, and you have to buy. He's not doing tickets. I think you have to buy clothes off his website. And take that back to Josh. That's what Josh did also. I think you had to buy something off Josh. I can't remember. No. Josh did $25. So he doing, like, you gotta buy something off his website. So you buy something off his website, it go towards the entry for you to, being a rapper for his car. So I think like $5 equal up to, I don't forget what it is, man. You have to go on his website to get more information about that. So yeah. Mod to Fame, rapping off his wide body RT, purple and white. Look good to me. And let's skip on to CJ on 32s, man. So y'all know why CJ on 32s is. CJ on 32. It's CJ on 32, man. Man have a great collection of cars. I mean, like, amazing collection of cars. Like, seriously. So CJ, everybody know about CJ's Scat Pack. You don't know, I did a reaction video when he first got the car painted. Link will be in the description, so you can go check out that reaction video to the car when he first got it painted. But he raffled that car also, $25 ticket. Raffled the car, guy won the car. Now the guy YouTube channel is like, blowing up right now. So shouts out to that guy who won the car. And he gave away the tank. He gave away the tank also. And Becky. Gave away Becky also. And he gave away the TRX truck. Man, I like that truck. Man, do y'all know how much that truck cost? Man gave away a TRX truck. Only thing he had to do was buy $25 raffle ticket. That's amazing, man. It's amazing to me. Yeah, so like right now, CJ on 32 raffling out like one of my favorite cars that I like in his collection. Like one of them. And it's the Challenger. Rapping the Challenger out right now. Right now, man, $25 ticket. Like, that was my favorite car in collection, man. Like, look at it. Like, I like it because of, like, the rose gold and white. I also like it because that's the wrap that I wanted. He was painted, but that's the wrap that I wanted to put on my car. You see how it flipping and stuff like that? It's white with a changing color. That's the wrap that I wanted on my car. I wasn't even thinking about the rose gold. I was just gonna go white everything. You know what I'm saying? Changed the game with the rose gold and the front grille on it. That looks so good. So yeah, he wrapping it all right now. So with that being said, scam or is it real? Me personally, man, I'm just gonna be real with y'all, man. I think it's real, man. I think it's a great opportunity, man, for people, like, they're not at that predicament in life and like just put $20 or $25, man, win your dream car. Some of you ain't like CJ. I'm not even gonna lie. all the cars are great. CJ on 32, man, you might get a car from him, man, and it be up under 1,000 miles. Like, so I really feel like it's just an opportunity for a person to. I don't think it's a scam. I mean, is it a scam? We'll find out probably later, but right now I don't think it's a scam, man. Like, you spending $25 on your dream car. $25. The guy who won Corey Hellcat said he spent $50 on the last day won the Hellcat. $50 the last day. Won a Hellcat, man. Like, it's just amazing, man. The guy who won CJ on TRX truck said he spent $25. $25. The guy who won CJ Scat Pack. Guy who won the Scat Pack said he spent $50. $50, man, won the Scat Pack. So, I mean, it's all about chances, man. You know, people be getting mad because they're not winning. It's a chance. You know how many? Okay, you gotta understand. These people got like over 100 some subscribers, man. That's a chance. Like Corey, man, that man got like 800 some subscribers, 900. He close to 1 million. I know that. So you taking a chance, like, I mean, I just think it's an opportunity for somebody, you know, to go out, put like $25 in, $50, whatever you want to spend, you know, on a car and take your chance of winning that car. Winning, it could change your life. You understand? You could be one of them. You could be a person that don't even have a car, and you put that $25 in the raffle, you win that car. That could change your life, man. Change your life. So with me, I don't think it's a scam. Not me personally. I don't think it's a scam. You think it's a scam, man? I mean, matter of fact, you know what? Drop me y'all comments. Drop y'all a comment, man. Let me know if y'all think it's a scam. Do you think it's real? If you even don't put into one of these guys' raffle, let me know how y'all feel about the raffle. Drop me a comment, man. Let me see how y'all feel, man. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, stay tuned, man. I got another video coming for y'all. Just stay tuned. I'm gonna give y'all updates on my car. Let y'all know what's going on with my car, what I'm about to do with the car and everything. So your first time to the channel, man, hit that subscribe button for me, man. Hit that like button also, because I know y'all in the raffle, man. Y'all like the raffle. So hit that like button for me for the video also, man. Share this video, man. Don't forget about it. I'm doing a $100 giveaway also, man. Soon I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm doing a $100 giveaway, getting a pair of underglows away, and I'm gonna give away one of my t-shirts, man. So y'all stay tuned for that giveaway. I'm gonna do a giveaway on my Instagram also. So my Instagram link will be in the description also. So you follow me on Instagram, and y'all see the Instagram right here also. So yeah, just type that in, man. Like I said, man, I wanna appreciate everybody for watching this video, man. Man, I hate my car, sold that car. But yeah, hey man, I appreciate everybody watching this video, man. Thank all my supporters. Thank everybody. Matter of fact, man, just thought about it. First time to the channel, man. Don't forget to go to the family channel, the Whitlow Family Empire. We're gonna be dropping some more videos. First time to the channel, you haven't seen my couple page for Audrey. Go to the couple page with Audrey. All that is in the link, man. I mean, in the description, man. All that is in the description, man. So yeah, y'all check this out. And let me know what y'all want to see, man. Hit me up on Instagram. Like I said, my Instagram name right here. The link is in the description. Want to add me on Instagram? Follow my Instagram, man. I'm doing more videos. This year, man, I'm coming with y'all. Y'all ask for 2 videos a week, man. I'm trying to give y'all 2 or more, man. Come on, man. Yeah, I want to appreciate everybody who I appreciate all my subscribers, man. People who've been supporting me so far, man. So like I said, without y'all, man, y'all want to encourage me to keep going, man. So I want to give y'all thanks. So with that being said, man, till next time, man, YK Slim.
I'ma slow down. I can slow down. It don't make no sound. I need some more now. She wanna tap out. Living like too fam, told me, boy, you better slow down. That made it out so many fucked up places, I still don't know how. Pretty little bitch gon' fuck for free, she like to go down. Could've took my pistol and bought me a chop, so I'ma need more rounds. Tryna sell my pride and put it to the side, but the shit won't go down. Gotta pour all ice, get way too hot for me to slow down. Won't sell myself, sell anything, I need a stove now.